Hey, are you almost here? Stop pretending. I can hear the train in the background. The fact that you're coming will be the biggest surprise to me. So, how's your trip so far? Same. I'm normally rushing around, so staying in this laid-back place is a novel experience for me, too. I can show you around when you get here. Not really. My shooting schedule is quite tight, so I haven't had much time to go exploring. But I can ask my audience for help. Yeah, I've gained a group of followers around here. They've recommended a lot of fun places. It might be a remote village, but there are surprisingly a lot of fun places around here. I'm sure, because we've actually finished shooting. The film crew left yesterday. Yes! That means we can enjoy some time to ourselves. I can finally take some real days off over the next couple days. I promise we'll spend some quality time together. Of course! Kiro is the superhero who knows everything. He's waiting for Miss Chips right outside the train station. I'll definitely spot you in no time. I can hear the train announcement. See you soon! Calling Miss Chips, do you copy? Ooh, did you try the ginger tea I asked the old lady to send you? Good. Don't forget to take a shower as soon as possible. I don't want you to catch a cold after getting soaked in the rain. Worry not. I already have. Hey, what's that sound from your side? Is it the chubby one that looks like a mini tiger? Watch out. He's not very friendly. The cats around here are great at catching mice, unlike the ones in the cities. The film crew wanted to put him in the show, but that fierce little monster refused to be on camera, and he even scratched a staff member. That's why I've named him Puss in Boots. Really? You... Miss Chips, I'm seriously telling you off. How can you not tell me about the snacks until now? It does seem to be my fault. It doesn't matter now. Tell me, what did you bring? Okay, I'll be right there. Make sure to keep Puss in Boots in the room. I want to see why he's behaving so well when he's with you. Neither are you. Don't move. Wait for me in the room.